The King Parrot Group, a well-established local catering company, is suspected of closing all its restaurants after serving local foodies for over 3 decades. A group of employees have filed complaints with the Labor Department, demanding unpaid severance and termination payments. Initial estimates suggest nearly $2 million is owed, but the company's management remains unreachable. Jeremy Zhu reports.
Around 30 employees from the group's restaurants gathered at the Labor Department to seek help. The workers were from the group's Shanghai-style restaurant in Meifu and the German restaurant in Chanshawan. One restaurant manager said she and many colleagues had not received their mandatory Provident Fund contributions since November. The company reportedly assured them it would handle the paperwork, but no resolution was provided. Lawmaker and chairman of the Federation of Hong Kong and Kowloon labor unions, Lam Chun Sing, said some workers had received their wages either in cash or by check, but were unsure if the checks would clear. He added that signs of trouble emerged as early as May, when staff were told to avoid overtime and not to claim overtime pay. Since last Friday, multiple restaurants of the group abruptly closed, with employees dismissed on the spot. Founded in 1992, the group once operated over 20 dining brands, specializing in mid to high-end cuisine. Taking to the airwaves, chairman of the Hong Kong Federation of Restaurants and Related Trades, Simon Wong, said over 100 employees had sought assistance from his federation. He noted that mid to high-end restaurants are struggling, with some seeing a 60 to 80% drop in business, while more affordable eateries have performed slightly better, urging the government to provide targeted support for the industry. Jeremy Zhu, Cable News.